At the Capitol tonight, we're taking a closer look at the first bill signed into law this session. The massive tax cut legislation is meant to simplify filing your taxes and give a big break to businesses hit hard by the pandemic. John Croman breaks it down.
In the simplest terms, tax conformity is about lining up the state's tax codes with Uncle Sam's. And by Capitol standards, this happened with breathtaking speed.
This is a bill about tax conformity.
Lawmakers were debating it within a week of arriving, and days later, a signing ceremony.
As soon as that bill gets signed, I think the button's going to be pushed, and the new 2022 updated forms will be on the Department of Revenue websites.
Revenue Commissioner Paul Marquardt was right. The ink was barely dry on the papers that Governor Walz signed Thursday afternoon, and you could already find the 2022 forms on the Revenue's website, and in plenty of time for the start of the filing season, January 23rd.
We should probably have a contest on who gets the return in first and give them a prize.
The prize is $100 million worth of tax cuts for 600,000 taxpayers, including those entertainment venues that, thanks to this bill, won't have to pay state income taxes on COVID-related federal relief.
It would have been business ending. All of the money was spent, so there's no leftover funds to pay a 10-11% tax liability.
And from the shell-shocked restaurant and hospitality industry,
supply chain issues, inflation, all these things, they're still buffeting them, making it challenging for that recovery to happen. So this is really going to help.
Plus, those who get college student debt relief from the federal government won't pay state taxes on that benefit.
The student debt crisis is still hitting people like me, and I have a 10-year-old son.
Because this happened so quickly, these tax cuts will be built into the 2022 return. Now, if you already paid taxes in previous years on these federal benefits, you can now file amended returns to reclaim that money. At the Capitol, John Croman, KARE 11 News.